Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Prasuma Chicken Momos. So guys, I bought this online from Amazon and today we are going to review this product. So this is the Prasuma Chicken Momos. The Prasuma is a popular brand which deals into packaged food, frozen foods, and today what I have with me is a Prasuma Chicken Momos with me right here. This is a pack of 24 momos that I have, and this is the original chicken momo flavor, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the review of the Prasuma Chicken Momos. So first of all guys, let's talk about the packaging. It comes packaged in this very well packed packet right here, and the best part of this is like it comes with a Ziploc packaging. So once I open this pack and if you look inside, it is a Ziploc. So not necessary that you need to eat all 24 momos at one time. You can repack it and keep it in the freezer, freeze it, and then use it as and when you require it. So guys, starting off, other parts of the packaging, what we can see here is the Prasuma branding right on top. Then Momos written here, that is the name of the product. Here is a non-vegetarian symbol because it's a chicken momo. Original chicken flavor is the flavor that this is. These momos are, these are chicken momos. It says juicy filling, momo sauce inside, and there's no preservative, so it's preservative free. 24 pieces ready in 3 minutes. So these momos will be ready in 3 minutes. On the back of the packaging here they are given more about the original chicken momos. Bite into familiar flavors with each momo and take a nostalgic journey with this bestseller, featuring our original family recipe, our classic delicate wrapper, and succulent filling. This one's a crowd pleaser. Our momos are a legacy of taste and tradition with its roots in a century-old recipe enhanced by innovative technology. The result, a taste that is unmatched and unrivaled. Experience momos as they were meant to be. And then there's about a company, Prasuma, which is India's first premium delicatessen brand with over 30 years of expertise in Europe standard of ready-to-eat products. Here they are given 3 different ways you can cook these momos. Number 1 is steam. Number 2 is you can pan fry these momos in like a tablespoon of oil. And number 3 is you can deep fry these momos, or you can also air fry these momos for 8 to 10 minutes and they will be ready to eat and nicely cooked. Serving suggestion ideal for a quick snack, lunch, or go for a tasty dinner. To create quick and nutritious meals, try them in soup, salads, chili garlic stir fry, or noodles. Now on this side they are given the ingredients. Ingredients is chicken meat. So the first ingredient is the one which is the most part of it, and here, which is good thing to see, that chicken meat is the most. So chicken meat is the first one right here. Then the refined wheat flour, which is maida, onion, butter, water, ginger, coriander, salt, spices, and condiments. Flavor enhancers also used. Made from hormone and antibiotic residue free chicken. So that's a good disclaimer here that this is made from hormone and antibiotic free residue free chicken. Here the nutritional information is given. Manufactured by a license number. Keep frozen at or below 18 degrees Celsius. That means you need to keep it in deep freezer. Net quantity is 24 in number. The MRP is rupees 325. Includes all taxes. Date of packaging is given, and the year of expiry is also given. So it has a shelf life of over an year. So the date of packaging is 1 year. The shelf life is 1 year. So the date of packaging is 27th August and 24, and the date of expiry is 26th August 25. So really long shelf life here. So overall the packaging looks good. Now let's go in and see how the momos look. So like I told you, after you open, there's also Ziploc. So I have Ziplocked it right here. Now you can see it is tightly Ziplocked. So very good quality of Ziploc available in this packaging. So that the momos stay fresh inside. Inside the pack you get 4 such momo chutneys, momo sauce packets inside. You get 4 such sauce packets inside. This is, now let's look at the momo. How does the momo look inside? And here is the Prasuma Momo, guys. The size is really good. It isn't like a small momo. So decent size momo right here from Prasuma, and it has good enough filling as well inside. So this is how it comes. So this is how it looks, guys. As long as my finger, I can compare it to show you all. So really good looking Momo really looks filling. So you get 24 such pieces inside this pack. So there are 24 pieces inside this pack, and you get 4 chutneys or Momo sauce along with it. So guys, I'll go quickly stir fry them and we'll do a quick taste test for the Prasuma Momos.
A few moments later.
Guys, I've stir fried the momos, the Prasuma Chicken Momos, using the same sauce that came with it. I use a Momo sauce for seasoning, and I've applied the same thing. I stir fried them in a pan, and this is how they have come out, and looks really yummy and delicious. They smell really good. So right now I'm going to quickly do a taste test of the Prasuma Momo and see how does it taste. And I'm going to tell you how much of a filling it is, and the sides have become nice and crisp, and it is soft and juicy in the middle. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. This is the filling inside. Very succulent, very juicy chicken filling inside, and the outer cover has become crisp on frying it, on pan frying it. Very yum. It tastes really nice when I put that Momo sauce on it to stir fry it. Very juicy, very yum. I would definitely want to try this out again. It's amazing. And if you are thinking of having some party at a place and are looking for a quick snack, this is something you can definitely try, because it is ready in like less than 5 minutes. You stir fry them, or you steam them, or you air fry them. Like, very easy to make. Very no hassle of preparing and creating momos. You can buy these and make these momos from Prasuma in like within minutes. It's an amazing party snack, and definitely I'll recommend this. So guys, if you are looking to buy it, I'll have the link in the description below. You can check it out from there. It's available on Amazon. The link is in the description below. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.